Careful, he might break. Everyone, please gather here. Today we're gonna do push-ups. That is not a push-up. Enough. Next. Protein meal. I did not say anything.
Is something wrong? Was it an accident?
Yes.
Ethan. Please do not come to school. Why? Because it gets worse.
Hey, kid. What are you doing here?
I came to the gym.
Okay, let's get ready. Sit. I got this at 17.
You won.
I came second.
Then why keep it?
Because I quit after it. The boy who beat me laughed first.
I do not want them to laugh.
That is too small.
Then what?
Build something they cannot take.
Please help me change.
Again.
Hello, fragile girl.
Mom. Take the blue box.
Take hold of it. Not to prove them wrong, to prove you stayed.
You write every day.
Sometimes.
That is good. They are not funny.
You laughed once.
I know.
I cannot.
You can train.
That is not the same.
No. It is harder.
What is this? Junior Classic. You are entering. Ugh. My dad sponsors that event. Good for him. I have class.
Who did this?
No one.
That answer is getting old.
If I report it, they laugh more.
Then we make a copy. Schedule change.
Who changed it? Closed. Can you train there?
It is not a gym.
No. It is better.
My brother used to train.
Used to.
People talked. You do not stop.
I try not to. Maybe eat cleaner. What? I did not touch it.
You ate.
Yes. Mom.
I ate at work.
Breathe.
You forgot this. I did not.
We need to check this. For what?
That is not his.
It is not mine. We have rules. Who touched his bag? Pending review. He cannot compete today.
Please, he worked all year.
I am sorry.
Should have stayed small.
Do not swallow this.
Sports teach honesty.
Ethan, I saw something. I was scared.
You kept it.
I did. We take it to the school.
They will bury it.
Then where?
Higher. Mara, these things can damage futures.
My son had one.
Boys make mistakes.
Then let him make one in public.
That would be ugly.
It already was. No,
You should think carefully.
I have.
What happened? We are not signing anything. So Ethan didn't do it, it was Dylan.
Focus and control.
All right, get some rest.
Yes, sir. Strength is not punishment.
Then what is it?
Something you protect.
Did I miss it?
No.
You got taller.
I was always tall.
No.
Good.
Why is that good?
Because if you weren't nervous, you wouldn't respect the platform.
For after the competition. Your old hoodie is in my bag,
Why?
in case you want it.
Keep it.
Smile.
Try harder.
If you lift 190 kilograms, you win. Do you trust your training?
Yes.
Then trust yourself.
Again. Bronze medal.
Silver medal. Dylan. Dylan.
And our champion, Ethan.
Truly incompetent.
That's great, Ethan. You're the best.